Hello everyone, Mike Cardenas with Forza Detailing and Detailed Image, here to give you a quick product review on the Actifoam Energy from Sonax.
Now, Actifoam Energy calls for a dilution rate of 30:1. So on this MTM foam cannon, it's a 1,000 milliliter. We're using 33.8 milliliter, which is very little amount. And a bottle this size will give you about 50 car washes, which is great value for a bottle this size. Before using a foam cannon, you want to do an initial rinse, get rid of any loose dirt or debris that's on the paint finish before using the foam cannon. Now this is using the foam cannon at the 30:1 dilution. It's about a little bit more than halfway cranked up. If you want more foam, of course, you can always crank up your foam cannon all the way or increase your dilution a little bit. This soap has great hang time, and the degreasing properties are awesome. They start to break up all the road film onto the paint surface with the foam. Sonax Actifoam Energy is also great to use in your wash bucket. For better results, it's best to stick to the 30:1 dilution ratio. It is a concentrate, and by using that dilution ratio, it makes for easier rinsing.
If you're looking for a soap to put in your foam cannon that will deliver those insane suds that you see online, the Actifoam Energy from Sonax will certainly do that. But keep in mind that it's concentrated. You don't need so much. A little bit goes a long way. It's been my go-to for over 6 months, primarily because of the value and the degreasing capabilities that it does offer. It's safe for Ppf vehicles, vehicles that are ceramic coated, vehicles that are not coated, so it has a wide variety of uses. The one thing you'll notice is it does have the scent of a very popular energy drink, but it's a great soap. And it's now available at detailedimage.com. My name is Mike Cardenas, and thanks for watching.